On today's episode of Fuel Up, I eat my way through Nanaimo and Coombs and check out Cathedral Grove on beautiful Vancouver Island. It's time to fuel up. Let's go! It's time to hit the road and explore more of Vancouver Island. I cruise the number 1 highway from Victoria to Nanaimo, BC. This is a busier highway with stretches of barricade, double lanes, and beautiful views. Made it to the top. It's been a good ride so far. A couple hours later and I made it to Nanaimo, BC. Home of the Nanaimo bar, a quintessential Canadian dessert. So naturally I pay homage at mon petit chou. I am a terrible Canadian and I have never had a Nanaimo bar. What is going on in my mouth? It's like different things happening in my mouth. I don't know how to describe it other than sweet bliss. It's very sweet. But this actually gives you something to chew. There's nuts and coconut, and I don't know what the filling is, but it just melts in your mouth. I feel like I'm entering a coma, a sugar coma. How do people eat these slices? Well, I did it. I popped my Nanaimo bar cherry right here in Nanaimo, BC. I got chocolate on my pants, so that's a good sign, right? From Nanaimo, I ride the Island Highway to the number 19 highway and then go inland to the number 4A highway to Coombs, BC. There's a reason they call it goats on the roof, because there's really goats on the roof. While you're in Coombs, take some time to reconnect with your spiritual side with a stroll through the statue park garden. Buy an espresso, some tie-dye, sit in a weird old half car. Tremendous cock. I take you from cock to cuckoo for Italian dining and more goats. This guy down here is just having a little headbutt. So I went for the number 1 seller, the Linguine Pescatora. It's got fresh local clams, mussels, prawns, scallops, and an olive oil and tomato sauce. Let's do this. This smells amazing. This one goes out to all the nude heads out there. You know you love your nudes. Nah. Oh, hells yes. So good, so fresh. You can taste all of the elements with the undertone of the seafood as well. You all right, Coombs? You all right? Zenned out and fueled up, I continue on Highway 4 towards Cathedral Grove. Cathedral Grove is located in MacMillan Provincial Park and is home to a famous 157-hectare stand of ancient Douglas fir. The biggest trees in the grove are around 800 years old. Now that is some serious wood. What can I say? Another great day on 2 wheels has come to an end. I've been your traveling host, Moniquea Marion. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and follow on Instagram at Fuel Up the Show. Thanks for watching.